Nick from HiFi Collective. We've got the Yarbo SP-FC100 speaker cable. Now you could actually use it as an interconnect. It's a foil that's got a slight turn to it. What we're going to show you is how to strip it. So, heat gun, give it some heat. Because you can see from there that it's like a solid piece there. So we need to warm it up a bit. So it's easier to kind of manipulate. Stanley knife. Sorry, it's a blade. Be careful with this. Just cut through the middle like that. Try not to get the wire. And you can open up a bit. It's easier to use. And then I'm going to heat it up some more. Come across, I'm looking down and seeing a flat bit. It's going to go in. I can feel where the copper is, and then I'm going to go in there. So you're basically going all the way across. Then I'm going to give it a tug. Yeah. Come on, baby. All right, I'm going to heat it up a bit more. Melty, melty. Ta-da! So that's stripped. And you can see I haven't really done any damage. Haven't cut anything there away. So that's ready to solder.